Welcome back to the Success Capsule Village. Imagine for a moment that you are one of the richest people on earth. You have billions of dollars in your pocket. What does your life look like? Do you live in a palace? Do you fly in private jets and surround yourself with security? Today, we explore the life of a man who chose a different path. A man who proved that true wealth isn't about what you own, but how much you own your own life. This is the story of the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Warren's journey didn't start in a boardroom. It started on a bicycle, delivering newspapers. At age 11, he bought his first stock, and today, he jokes that he started too late. By age 14, he used his savings to buy a small farm. He understood the chessboard secret of compounding before most people could even read a balance sheet. But here is the remarkable part. He still lives in the same 3-bedroom house he bought over 50 years ago. No walls. No fences. No guards. When asked why, he simply says, "I have everything I need in this house." Warren controls an empire of 63 companies, yet his desk has no computer and no cell phone. He doesn't hold endless meetings or micromanage his CEOs. Instead, he gives them freedom and only 2 rules to live by. Rule number 1, never lose your shareholders' money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. He drives his own car. He makes his own popcorn. When he met Bill Gates for the first time, Gates only scheduled 30 minutes, thinking they had nothing in common. They talked for 10 hours. Gates didn't just meet a billionaire, he found a mentor. What can we learn from a man who donated $31 billion to charity but still eats a $3 breakfast? Here is your success capsule for today. First, money doesn't create the man, it is the man who creates the money. Second, live your life as simply as you are. Third, don't do what others say, listen, but do what you feel is right. Fourth, don't chase brand names, wear what makes you comfortable. Fifth, don't waste money on unnecessary things, spend on those in need. And finally, it's your life. Why give others the chance to rule it? Warren Buffett's greatest investment wasn't in a stock or a company. It was in himself and his own peace of mind. If this story opened a new door in your mind, subscribe to Success Capsule. Join our village, and let's build a life that is truly wealthy. Until our next lesson, keep growing.